Now, here's how you can find missing apps on the iPhone, and let's get into it. So, there are a few things or places to look for it. At first, when you are on your home screen of your iPhone, swipe all the way to the right until you get to the app library. This is a place where every single app that you have installed is, or you can find it in the list if you click on the search. And the app that you are looking for should most definitely be here as long as it's downloaded and installed on the iPhone. If not, you also need to pay attention to the hidden folder, which is like kind of a new thing. It allows you to like hide individual apps. And if you do that, you won't be able to find them normally because they are like hidden and locked in the hidden folder. So just take a look at that. And still, it might happen that you still don't have the option to find the app that is missing. And if that's the case, the restrictions could actually be the problem. You can go to your settings of the iPhone and then find the screen time section. Part of screen time, we have the content and privacy restrictions. There, you can manage some specific things. For example, you can hide Safari or even App Store inside of this section. And if you have it like hidden this way, you will simply not be able to find it on your phone unless you turn off these restrictions. So this is something a lot of people don't know about, so I just had to mention it in this video. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to find the app that you are looking for. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.